Black gun, pay dude, that's done. Favors from me, can't ask none. Black out the game and got passed on. Me, I kept the shit super solid. Came up, but nigga, you acknowledge. See me in my coupe, I got stupid dollars. I'm a dropout, but now I speak in college. That's ironic. I'm honest. I get paid to speak my mind, and it's crazy to me. Just play me fully. If I wrote a script, it'd be a crazy movie about my life, about rolling dice, about taking risks. You gotta know the price. Gotta know yourself on the coldest nights. Can't turn it down. You gotta own the fight. Win, lose, or draw. You could boy, you could've kept it real, but nigga, use a fraud. Before you get the shit, you gotta lose it all, and then you find yourself and see the choose of God, and that's real shit. $1,100 bill shit. Front hood to the hill shit. Like how the fuck do we build this? Real shit, look. Blue cup, black gun, pay dude, that's done. Favors from me, can't ask none. Came in the game, then I passed up. And I can't stop, won't stop. I'm the type to get more guap. You the type to for show flop. I'm for Brian Hurst and them dope spots. Now
it's
look.
hard, but it's fast, and these haters don't care. When they see you, they stop. See you, they stop. Open on the things with them blowed out brains. Smoking push and switching lanes. See, the only thing I think about is my boss. See, we won't stop until we reach the top. We gon' be there for.
Check it out. Look, I'm still running laps. Taking phases, still running back. Talking guns, I got 100 straps, and I'll be in your bush if you fuck with fats. That's a fact. I don't fuck with rats. This boss life, I got a lust for that. Pulling up in sacks, blowing 100 sacks in my V12. I don't fucking slack, not at all. I got a ball, ain't shot my dog. Rest in peace, my nigga fraud. Life is short, nigga, in this guard, but in the meantime, we tryna get it all. You should get involved. I'm really raw. Throw this rap shit, I really ball. Out penis, nigga, on white Lakers, nigga, black beamers, nigga, they can't see us, nigga, nah. Sometimes I get so offended by it. Don't compare me to none of these fucking liars. I'm fucking flyer, I'm fucking realer. Play with me, I'll be a fucking killer. Out 7 takes with no fucking filler. Now victory lap, my fucking thriller. And if you broke, I ain't fucking with you. Guess you went broke while you was fucking with me. And we bounce back cause it's nothing really. We gon' do it big till they fucking kill me.
It's hard, but it's fast, and these haters don't care. When they see you, they stop. See you, they stop. Open on the things with them blowed out brains. Smoking push and switching lanes. See, the only thing I think about is my boss. See, we won't stop until we reach the top. We gon' be there for.
Yeah. Can remember like bagging on the NPC late night, getting kicked out the house because of that shit. Catching the 108 to the blue line. Niggas sitting on the bridge loading up they burners, sweating. We were just kids trying to get to it. Taking losses. Stand down. Frustration. But looking back at the shit right now, it's like it's nothing. It's gonna feel like that for you too. Hussle.
It's hard, but it's fast, and these haters don't care. When they see you, they stop and see you, they stop. Open on the things with them blowed out brains. Smoking kush and switching lanes. See, the only thing I think about is when I see my boss. See, we won't stop until we reach the top. We gon' be there for.